We're back with RENOGY X, checking out the 8KW inverter that they have. This baby is amazing, and it is like a future-proof hybrid system that I wanted to show you guys because look at the price. About 50% off, and you can use my promo code ADVENTURETECH to get an even bigger discount. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page if you're in a hurry. Get a good deal and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. The RENOGY X has a lot of convenient features like the LCD screen. It features intuitive LCD screen that provides clear, readable information on system operation, energy production, and power usage. This is nice because a lot of inverters just got a couple little lights. This is going to tell you a lot more. Mobile monitor. Monitor your system production and consumption in real time from anywhere via the RENOGY X app. Now, this is a very special app developed just for the RENOGY X series devices. Track consumption and patterns, visualize impact, battery charge and status, and support straight from your phone. Emergency power supply. Ensure uninterrupted power supply for essential circuits during outages with the EPS capable with the RENOGY X invertible. Ensure uninterrupted power supply for essential circuits during outages with the EPS capability of the RENOGY X inverter. Future-proof hybrid system. This is designed to adapt to future energy demands, ensuring that your inverter remains compatible with evolving technologies and energy storage solutions. This is going to help modernize your home and give you some extra energy freedom. I tell you what, once you're paying attention to your power, you'll learn how to use it a lot more efficiently. You can upgrade your lifestyle with RENOGY X system that elevates your home's performance with a sleek, streamlined design that fits anywhere. We just checked out the RENOGY X battery as well. These go together, and it is an amazing setup that you can install just about anywhere, and it is UL certified. Embrace energy independence with RENOGY's DIY off-grid kits. These are really great kits, and a lot of the DIY kits that they have set up on this website include everything you need to get going. Maybe they have too much in stock, I don't know, but there's crazy big deals going on right now, and I don't think they're gonna last forever, so take advantage while they're still here. You can get a RENOGY X 8KW inverter and a battery for I think under $3,000 right now, which is crazy. Don't forget, use my promo code ADVENTURETECH. That's going to give you an extra discount on top of this. Use the links in the comments or description to get over to this page and get that deal and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Don't forget, you can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button. Click that bell icon and you can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.